Hey there! Today I'll show you how to install ComfyUI on Android with Termux, run AI image gen locally, 2026. We'll cover install Termux and dependencies, clone ComfyUI repository, install PyTorch and dependencies and more. Let's dive in. Install Termux and dependencies. Install Termux from F-Droid, not Google Play. Grant storage access. Run package update and package upgrade. Install Python, Git, get, and essential build tools with package install Python Git get make Ninja. Clone ComfyUI repository. Git clone the official ComfyUI repo. Navigate into it with cd ComfyUI. Create a Python virtual environment, Python venv and source venv/bin/activate. This isolates all dependencies. Install PyTorch and dependencies. Install PyTorch for CPU, pip install torch vision, index URL https://download.pytorch.org/whl/cpu. Then install ComfyUI requirements, pip install requirements.txt. This may take a few minutes on Android. Download a Stable Diffusion model. Download a compatible SDXL or SD 1.5 checkpoint from Hugging Face. Use wget to download. Place the .safetensors file in ComfyUI/models/checkpoints/. Models like Dreamshaper work well on mobile. Launch and generate images. Run ComfyUI with Python main.py, listen, port 8188. Open your Android browser to http://localhost 8188. Build a workflow by connecting nodes and generate AI images locally, completely offline. That wraps up today's tutorial. If this helped, subscribe to Lawal for daily AI on Android guides. Get the complete ebook at lawalfatikola.gumroad.com. See you tomorrow.